Hey, good morning guys. मैं एयरपोर्ट 6 बजे पहुंच गया था. एक्चुअली मेरी फ़्लाइट अभी 7 बज के 30 मिनट पर है. So guys, the Royal Enfield tour of Northeast ride has begun. The journey from Mumbai to Guwahati will take around 3 hours. अब मेरे को भूख भी लगी है क्योंकि I didn't had my breakfast, so quickly I will order something. So guys, here is a jungle chicken and a cappuccino which I have ordered. Outside it's a sunny day. अभी 3 घंटे तक let's enjoy some music. So I'm going to Guwahati with Royal Enfield for the Northeast ride. It expands across 3 of the 7 sisters state of the Northeast: Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh. So guys, the flight has landed on time. It will take 45 minutes for me to reach the hotel from the airport. Guwahati was really humid. The climate was exactly like Bombay. So here is a neatly looking standard 350. Looks so neat. And here is my follower. Okay?
Hi.
Hi. After meeting my follower, I quickly went up, put my luggage in my room and came down where all the bikes were ready. Few bikes were getting adjusted according to the rider's need. I myself adjusted my handle. Few were coming to the hotel and few went and refueled their tank for tomorrow's ride. In the evening, there was a workshop about the first aid, which was really amazing. We all got introduced to each other. Bala and RJ told us about the whole ride, how it will be. We got our stickers and our bandanas along with the t-shirt. We took a group photo and we were all excited for next day ride. Next morning हमारी ride 8 o'clock को थी. So day 1 and we are all having our breakfast. The morning breakfast is always awesome. Good morning.
Good morning.
For today's breakfast, I have taken 2 boiled eggs and some watermelon and some dry fruits along with some one small uttappa. I don't know what it is. And here is a juice. In front of me is Thakurai.
Hi.
Her name is
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi. And we all are enjoying our breakfast. Here we are all set to ride. Hi, good morning. Good morning, bro.
Morning.
It's all set.
All set. Ready for a big day.
Yeah. So that's my machine and everyone is putting their saddlebags on it. Hi.
Hi, Akka. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine. Very good.
Good morning.
Hi, Akka. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Bala. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, Veena. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi, Thakurai.
Hello.
It's all set.
Yes, all set.
See you on road. Sir. So we are all set to ride to Shillong. Guys, it's day 1 and we are going to Shillong, and from there we are going to Cherrapunji. The road is kick-ass, the day is bright and we are enjoying the ride. So guys, we have taken the first halt at Umiam Lake and it's really kicked the ass. All the bikers are regrouping here and the climate is awesome and I can show you the beautiful view out there. यार कोई चाय देगा मेरे को प्लीज? हाँ
चाय मिलेगा, कॉफी भी मिलेगा, ब्लैक टी भी मिलेगा।
चाय आसाम में चाय नहीं मिल रही है तो मेरे को चाय चाहिए।
चाय।
So here after like 4 hours we are having an Assami chai. So cheers guys. Guys, after a quick chai break, we started a ride to Cherrapunji via Shillong. We will be taking a halt at Sekaria for our lunch. और वहाँ से 6 किलोमीटर डी रूट है जहाँ पे डेंटलैंड फॉल है. वो विजिट करके हम वापस head back to Shillong for our overnight stay. So we are at Sekaria, very close to, actually it's in Cherrapunji. Okay, बाकी के सब लोग वहाँ पे है. जो बस दिख रही है आपको, नहीं दिख रहा होगा, वहाँ पे है और मैं यहाँ पे आया हूँ. I have come down from that way to this place. Okay, बाइक आगे लेके गई थी मैंने पर यहाँ से नहीं उतर सकता हूँ. उतर जाऊँगा लेकिन ऊपर नहीं आ पाऊँगा because it's very steep. And look at this. This is so beautiful. We are heading to a waterfall which is at Cherrapunji. We are actually in Cherrapunji.
We are in the general area.
And today we are going to stay at Shillong. सेकरिया से जहाँ पे हमने लंच किया अभी, यहाँ से वाटरफॉल तक it's 6 km. Narrow road but superb. So guys, we are at Dentland Fall in Cherrapunji. We'll be waiting for 15 minutes and then head back to Shillong, where our stay is for tonight. लेकिन जहाँ पे भी ऑफ रोडिंग है या वाटर स्ट्रीम है, अपन को तो एंजॉय करना ही है. और मेरा पार्टनर इन क्राइम वॉज बाबा. It is always important to keep ourselves hydrated. Now you guys must be thinking, "Ki how come I am at the top of the cliff?" Actually, the moment we left the waterfall area and we came around like 1.5 km, I saw one cliff on my left hand side जहाँ पे I thought बाइक लेके चलते हैं. मेरे साथ शारिक भी था, लेकिन unfortunately वो ऊपर नहीं आ पाया. It was fun. Now you guys can see how I'm going down. Come on this side, bro. Cloudy out there and we have to reach Shillong. Fall from Dhaba. So guys, we are stopped for chai. ये जगह का नाम क्या है?
जगह सोरा.
हाँ?
सोरा.
Sora. So we are in Sora. So guys, after a quick chai break और beautiful sunset देखते हुए हमने अपना राइड चालू किया to Shillong. Our stay was at Polo Towers. The whole ride was superb and it was fun. It was day one. We all were excited and luckily we all reached safely. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and comment, and stay tuned for the next vlog of Tour of Northeast. Take care. Bye. You know, I changed in, we were putting the bike ना, bike का रखा था ना, तो bike वाला वो गली गली में से ले रहा था. Then I changed it to the car. So we reached Polo Towers in Shillong.